Hey Colin, why don't you go through the trails? Hey Colin, Colin. Hey, why don't you do dinosaur? Do the dinosaur. Stop. Do the dinosaur thing. Wait, we're in the shade. You can't see it. Whoa. Cool. Why don't you go up there up the hill and go in the trails? See? We got some spots behind our house. Okay, give me one more growl. Say signing off. Whoa! Colin, do a growl. Do a dinosaur growl. Wait, move, Nelly. Whoa. Do it again. Do it again. Hold it all the way down. Do it. Do a growl. I want to see the lights and the teeth.
The light?
Yeah. No, pull that thing down so the teeth come out. Whoa. You can drive like that. Hold it all the way down till it clicks. Push it all the way down. Push it all the way down, not up. Push down. All right, I'll show you how. Say signing off. See you later, alligators.
Signing off. Bye, alligators.